In the name of Allah, most merciful, most graceful. Assalamu alaikum. My dear colleagues, I'm really delighted to see each of you on the day of holiday and Sunday. I really appreciate everybody sitting here in this hall, especially the younger one. Sunday को लोग enjoy कर रहे होते हैं और doctors continuous medical education. It appreciates your faculty, Doctors Con, and everybody. A beautiful girl sitting in front of me, organizing everything so nicely, and all the organizers, I have hats off really. Please do something for the dignity of our motherland. Impact factor. अगर मेरी वजह से मेरे गांव में, मेरी गली में एक स्ट्रॉन्ग सा इम्पैक्ट नहीं आया, the most beautiful thing in your life is, beauty in life is, you haven't been told that you will survive here for 100 years or not for the next very moment. Almighty Allah only appreciates one thing, your thankfulness. आप उठते बैठते अल्लाह मियाँ की ब्लेसिंग से everybody sitting in this room is over blessed, really over blessed. हम उस सोसाइटी से हैं जहाँ पे Almighty ने हमें हर तरह से पूरी तरह नवाजा. If you are thankful, nothing more is required. Secondly, for your street, for your people, you must do something. आपकी मेड, आपका ड्राइवर अगर आपसे एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी है एंड यू आर मोर जनरस देन फॉर योर इमीडिएट क्लोज बाय, नथिंग मोर इज रिक्वायर्ड. प्लीज डू समथिंग. हियर इज माई आइकॉन, Dr. Pafau Ruth, a German, in an absolutely good society, entered into medicine. In 1960, she landed at Karachi, spent 55 years in leprosy and totally neglected people of the society. It's a huge big bang for love and humanity of life. आप अपनी मदर के नाम से, फादर के नाम से, किसी के नाम से अगर आप गली में कोई खास काम आज तक नहीं किया, तो perhaps the nation and the society is really in need of you, is looking forward to see your good gestures. So, Allama Iqbal Medical College, where we spend a lot of time, and Jinnah Hospital, I'm at Hamid Latif Hospital. I'm asked for Mr. Tayyib Hadi and all the organizers of this, especially दो मंजूर साहब हैं, डॉक्टर मंजूर राना एंड जंजुआ. मैं उनके बारे में ज़रूर बात करूंगा, बट एट द एंड, जंजुआ साहब, इट्स वेल डन. Allergic rhinitis, immediately sweep through this whole topic, is very, very common. Irritation in the nose, irritation in eyes, followed by episodes of sneezing, watery nose, and then blockage. If you neglect it and take it lightly, it may end up with asthma and polypharmacy, and then there is no end to it. Your life will be really jeopardized, compromised. Pollution certainly increases this whole issue. This allergic rhinitis with the simple symptoms may be the only organ involved in allergy. A beautiful doctor, Dr. Aisha, was saying many golden words here. I reiterate, you may have allergy of one organ, two organ, multiple organs. If you have allergies of more than 2 or 3, it's very difficult to control. Then really science thinks about a topic, genetics, DNA derangements. ये वो लोग हैं जहाँ पे बहुत काम करने की जरूरत. ಮತ್ತೆ DNA evaluation, IgE, eosinophil counts, skin prick tests, and so many more are absolutely required to dig it out in more deeply. More than 500 million people are the real sufferers. Everyone sitting in this room is having allergy, mild or moderate. Some are having very severe. This is known fact now. Allergies are mostly underdiagnosed and most often undertreated. हम symptomatic nation, हम बहुत जल्दी में हैं. क्यों जल्दी में है? Because we don't have any destination. कोई भी बाहर से आता तो कहता कौन जल्दी में है, कहाँ जाना है, कुछ पता नहीं. Because we are lack of Mahathir Mohamad. A person in Malaysia in 30 years can make such a big bang what the America has done in more than 2 centuries. Only MBBS from Singapore University, Mr. Mahathir Mohamad. And if a person is on straight line, he can make a very big change. Nothing more slanting words and Scottish English is required. Just your reinforcement in one direction of the nation can certainly make a very big change. This is the old-fashioned term to knowing seasonal allergy or perennial throughout the year. It was old-fashioned WHO words. Now it has been totally transformed at the sciences. Science is like rushing water. It's every day a few words are being added, few more understandings are coming. Now WHO and World Allergy Congress thinks in terms of really this word, the intermittent and persistent. It happens sometimes, few days only, few hours only, sometimes only. This is present in most of us. कि आपने जब भी पुराने स्टोर में गए, जब भी पुरानी किताबें झाड़ी, जब भी आपने चीजों की सफाई नहीं की, little exposure leads to bouts of sneezing and coughing and everything. That allergy is very common. We'll go into it. So, when you have nasal allergy, it's likely to end up with involvement of lower respiratory tract. If this allergy is continued over a span of many months and years, it will certainly end up with asthma. 80% individuals with persistent allergy of the nose will certainly develop chest symptoms, quite often asthma. And this asthma is 80% present in chronic patients. It's extremely known fact now. It is now one very strong feeling all over the world. If you see St. Petersburg, Moscow, are the beautiful places of Europe, you must appreciate allergies are extremely common in societies where infection is rampant, extensive, florid. And in Asia and Africa, where infections are really touching the sky high, allergies are far low. It's from 10% to 40%. So where already immune system is badly involved in worms, infections, which are really extensive all over the society, which are very difficult to control, where we are right now, allergies are relatively uncommon as compared to those areas where infections has been nicely, overtly controlled. Pollution, a beautiful city of Lahore, really it's not good to live here. The capital of America, those who are old-fashioned like me, they know very well, Philadelphia, University of Pennsylvania, where I spent few years. This was really a very downtown area, like Lahore downtown, and people immediately 5 minutes away is New Jersey. Every one of your friend is living in acres, 5 acres, 10 acres in New Jersey. You have to live across the road now, across the river now, Ruda, because this area is really, air quality index is really jeopardizing, compromising our quality and really our life expectancy also. So Pollution certainly increases chances of allergy. Especially the diesel-oriented vehicles must be removed immediately. 80%, all sorts of carcinogens, pro-carcinogens, co-carcinogens are present in this diesel element. This is not only the diesel and the petrol, this is adulterated. Lead in petrol and sulfur in diesel is abundant in our part. Aga Khan Hospital has conducted 2 studies at Karachi. It is overtly visible. So, here we are. Hardly you can change macro environment. लाहौर की गलियों को, लाहौर को ठीक करना decision makers का काम है. We can plant so many plants. आपको प्लांट से मोहब्बत होनी चाहिए. घर में जितने लोग हैं उससे ज़्यादा प्लांट्स होने चाहिए. आपकी गली में प्लांट्स होने चाहिए. It should be big, huge, big burger-like plants, so that these are the big oxygenators. But microenvironment we can control right now. At home, certainly we can make a big change. अपने घर का जिम्मेदार मैं हूं कि शाम 6 बजे से पहले आपके फोन ऑफ हो जाते हैं, आप लंबा ही सोते हैं, आप मौलवी साहब से पहले उठ के बैठ जाते हैं. You do a very good breakfast and you are doing excellent exercise daily. You are the best son of soil. You are the daughter of east which is requested and required around the clock. अगर आपका फोन ही बंद नहीं होता लेट, यूट्यूब ऑन हो जाती है, या आपने स्क्रीन टाइम का कोई टाइम नहीं रखा हुआ, फिर आपके लिए दुआई की जा सकती है और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तो certainly please do exercise daily. Airway should not be patent. Air should be like motorway. Your nose should not be blocked for a single second. And you must be doing some exercise like a cheetah, like Michael Jackson. You must be very active around the clock. Because आपकी स्माइल, पेशेंट को आपकी स्माइल चाहिए. एक चुप सा ओवरलोडेड नॉलेज एबल डॉक्टर नहीं चाहिए जो उसको बात करना मुश्किल हो रहा है. So indoor we have to totally transform. How? We'll go through it. The biggest problem all over the world is certainly house dust mites. Multiple types. Its bodies, its droppings, its secretions are highly allergenic. Number 1 allergy causation is caused by house dust mites. All our homes, all our beds, our pillows, mattresses are overflooded with millions and millions of house dust mite. All our stores are filled with. This can be totally extinguished, can be eradicated by multiple ways. All our coverings should be changed. Weekly, all mattresses should be exposed to sunlight. 60 degrees Celsius washing with clothes absolutely eradicates this. Very fine sorts of air purifier. आपका फिल्टर जो अभी भी अगर यूज हो रहा है तो it must be weekly totally cleaned. If you know about HEPA filters, high quality index purifier filter, it is highly useful. It can come in purifiers, and it can come in your ACs. It is certainly now different clothes are available that has allergy-free clothing. All our coverings, bedding should have clothing allergy-free. Now it's available in the town, partially. So this is one thing that pays baby formulas, big cause of allergy. This feeder leads to 80% infections and allergies all over the world. Feeding in this position is perhaps the most worst situation. The first baby and the new mother are totally learning of it, driving. Baby must be sitting or semi-sitting when feeding. Mother feed is 10,000 times better than any of the feed. Baby formula should be avoided. Weaning or soft diet should be changed at the age of 6. In sitting posture and throughout the act of suckling, it's a sacred act. Baby must be teased time and again with love and passion, with a smile. Baby must not be drowsy or sleepy while taking the diet. Otherwise, lot of infections, lot of allergy, fluffy nose is waiting for the baby. So this must be kept in mind. So polyformation is very common. Once the polyformation happens, it's really very worst situation. Common cold or coryza, these symptoms are more or less the same where we talk about allergy. But here there's a fever, there is some intoxication, but if you know this coronavirus, this was there in the last 1961-62. Most of the people sitting in this room born afterwards. In 1962, people were knowing enough about coronavirus, but it was taken for granted as causing little problem like common cold. आता है चला जाता है, medicine लें या ना लें, patient उतने time में ठीक हो जाता है. But in December 2019, the same transformation of this very simple, ये ऐसे ही आपका पुराना ड्राइवर बहुत नेक था, 10 साल उसने कुछ नहीं किया, now he has transformed his software. You have to keep your eyes open. So common cold, we should know a lot about it. Most often, just a very good diet, flushing the nose with saline, rest, this is all what's required. Influenza, a very serious issue, even more serious than even corona right now. हमारी एज में, सब एज में वैक्सीन जरूर लगवाना चाहिए. अगर अमेरिका साल में 2 लगवाता है तो एटलीस्ट वंस यू मस्ट है at the first week of September. So diagnosis is very straightforward, clinical, diagnostic, endoscopy keeps helping. Sometimes you need IgE, eosinophil count to be checked, and very rarely skin prick test. Endoscopy makes things 1,000 times enlarged. It's like microscopic view that gives you high index. Just with one examination, newborn baby का भी nose up end तक, adenoid तक, with one look, there's no need of X-rays. X-rays are radiation. Childbearing age में कभी भी patient आए तो please don't have X-rays. Patient may be pregnant. Other X-rays, radiation should be most often avoided. Most often avoided. It's getting more limited with the evaluation of endoscopes. CT scan coronal gives whole index at 1 millimeter level. You can accurately say if there is really required, there's polyformation, there's rampant extensive polyps, you will go for such sort of. Prevention is perhaps the best way. Microenvironment at home, as I was saying, can be changed totally. Cleanliness, cleanliness, cleanliness. This vacuum cleaner, now very fine cleaner, with HEPA filters can make a huge, big change. Sunlight exposure makes a big change. All the covering should be allergy proof. 60 degrees Celsius washing certainly deletes most of the allergens. Oral antihistamines, it should be continued for a period of weeks and weeks, not for symptoms only, because we always treat under. Corticosteroids are uncommonly required only in severe patients. In the spray form, if it's very severe atopic patient, then certainly, rarely, uncommonly, injectable is required. Montelukast are very, very effective. Those who are the known cases where Ig is high, their eosinophil count is high, and the patient is mostly having snuffly, watery nose, watery eyes, poetic eyes हमेशा थोड़ी थोड़ी आपको swelling सी लगती है, watery लगती है. इनको आपने लंबी देर for 6 weeks to 3 months, Montelukast 4 milligrams, 5 milligrams for children and 10 milligrams daily over a span of many, many weeks is very useful. It's very useful. So local steroid sprays are very useful, but please decongestant nasal spray, oxychrome, xylosine should be used cautiously. In patients who are 50 plus, hypertensive, having heart disease, please don't ask for. It can lead to heart attack, it can lead to raised blood pressure, it can lead to arrhythmias. So decongestants, especially oral and injectable, or especially this one, should be avoided. So asthma is quite often familial. It's related with allergic rhinitis. It's always avoidable. Your one simple thinking can make a big change. I'm highly thankful to Mr. Altaf Chima, who is always kind, Mr. Altaf, and to Dr. Nadeem, Dr. Manzoor. I'd like to say a few words, Dr. Manzoor Janjwa. He is so kind, and Dr. Manzoor here, Dr. Manzoor Rana. He said mistakes. We do mistakes. Adam alayhi salam, the great Adam, landed in this world. Immediate afterwards, a beautiful girl was accompanying. Mother line for us. Mistakes are there. For doctors, please आप अपनी prescription को last message ये है software में convert कर दें. वरना मैं अभी भी we are here to learn from each other, to share our knowledge, to share our mistakes. हम अभी भी गलती करेंगे, but next state should not be repeated. It should be refined. अगर आपने प्रिंट यूज कर रहे हैं तो चांसेस आप कभी अब मिलीग्राम गलत लिखेंगे, कभी अब डेज गलत लिखेंगे, कभी पेशेंट का नाम गलत लिखेंगे. आप प्रिंट की सूरत में आ जाएं, 99% काम आपके सॉफ्टवेयर में पहले मौजूद है. Just you have to guide with 1 or 2 picks because you're only in thinking process. That will make your life far easy. Initially it is difficult for a day or so. जो हमारी तरह ओल्ड फैशन डिजिटल नहीं हो सके, उनके लिए जरूरी है कि आप प्रिंटेड फॉर्म में आए अपनी प्रेस्क्रिप्शन. देन द चांसेस ऑफ मिस्टेक्स, आर्टिफैक्ट्स and blunders are minimum. Thank you, Dr. Altaf, Dr. Aftab, and everybody.